What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Team Coding Plug, your code space for all things coding and tech. In today's video, we are diving into Oracle Live SQL, a powerful web tool that lets you run SQL queries without any installations. Whether you are a beginner or looking for a sharpen skills, we have got you covered. So let's get started. Oracle Live SQL is a web-based platform that allows you to write and execute SQL queries in real time, straight and from your browser. Right? There is no need to install anything on your machine. You can practice SQL queries, learn, and even access sample databases to get hands-on experience. A perfect for beginners who want to get feel for SQL without setting up local environment. As we know that it's a headache process to get a setup environment. So that's why there is a web-based tool called Oracle Live SQL. So let's go through that. Right. Okay. So just you have to go to the Google and search for Live SQL or that's it. So you will get on this tool. Here is, and just click on this link. It will be redirecting to the tool. Here, this is what the intro interface. The thing here, the task is that two types of now. Recently, it has been introduced that Live SQL version 2, which is 23 AI version. Okay, if you want 19C, when you old one only. Okay, there is two types of versions are there. If you want to upgrade, so 23 AI also you can use using with AI. So the first task here is you have to register. Add a register. That's right. So first you have to create the account. Right now, you already have registered. So it's there. So you have to go click on the create account and you have to create the account. Then only you can able to access this. Just creating account is not a mess, right? Sample details will be there, just was phone, company name, something, just temporarily you can provide. Okay. So come here and I'm going to log in this. Okay, everyone knows how to register. Sorry, some issue is there in the site. Oh, can I know? Yeah, fine. Actually, sometimes due to catch problems, it will show like that. So just close the browser and restart it, and it will be come back. Don't confuse here. Okay, let's go to this. See here. Click on these three dots and see the left side. SQL worksheet is there and sessions will be there. And means your account which is allocated, that sessions will be there. And here different schemas will be there. Hope everyone knows about the schema. If you don't know, just comment and I'll make a video on schemas also. Okay. So my scripts, tutorials, because here tutorials also there. You can able to learn this site a lot of things. A lot of stuff will be there. Okay. So add a tutorial, so many tutorials we are able to add under you. And here whatever scripts you have written, right? So you have saved, it will be saved here. Here code libraries will be there, means some tasks, some only was C direction, employee department table. Some tasks will be there, some means only pre-written scripts will be there, right? So just go through the first option, that SQL worksheet. So SQL worksheet means nothing but here you can able to write the code. Okay. So to write the queries, first we have to create a table, something. So to know that, first we'll go to schema. So any one schema will select that. Here my schema, common schema is there. Here a lot of schemas will be there. That academic, analytical reviews, employee department, squad, the squad user will be there, human resources will be there, like that. Okay. So just for your reference, just I will create a table that in a schema. Create table, students, list ID, number, names, yeah, team, and this is just a comparative. Okay. Just you have to execute this. Run means it will be run and table has been created, right? Here click on this run button or else control enter if you are pressing, it is a shortcut. Execute yes. Just will query this. So just you what you have to do means, if you are running enter script will be run, just have to comment this and follow lf star from. So if I'm running this, we shown the data. No data found, right? So simply what we'll do, insert into student team values to be id 1, id number, only type the code will be different. Is what I'm giving. Okay. I'm selecting this and executing it. Yeah, if I'm selecting execute, also it will be execute only once. And we'll select this and we'll execute this. Yes. So I'm making it in a way. Yeah, download the CSV with the data. Okay. And then I have inserted, right? Like this, you can able to do this. And you go to the session. So session, whatever you have did, everything will be recorded. No need to logs, everything will be there. Okay. You start from there, you can modify that, everything. For previous session, how much you play this will be there. Okay. So sessions, how much you play your session, and some endless parameters will be there that uh, timestamps and date modifications. This somewhat advanced level I will explain you later videos. And here schemas will be there. Okay. So you can select your schema and you can able to work on that. Your student table on my schema is there. So if I'm going to HR, the HR schema, actually here read only access only they will be provide. They won't provide that. They write only access. Okay. So you can able to select. You can perform that. You want to do something means your schema you can go. You can able to do that. Okay. See here. Right now. So here quick SQL will be there. So you can go and you can generate here shorthand. So output will come. So my models will go. Will explore. So nothing is there. Yeah. My script. Also statement scripts will be there. Tutorials as I shown you earlier. So tutorials you can able to add here and code library you can able to. So simple. We'll see one thing that apply and department script. Okay. Here already some script has been written, step by step has been provided that the contributor is Mika, Java, Oracle. Okay. So here already table script step by step is there. So it's a tutorial point also you can able to utilize this. Okay. So there will be very less setup will be there. You can able to use very easily, efficiently. So many things you can able to query here. So many queries you can able to buy. Yes. Alright guys. So for today we got the video we'll go through and so many guys have been asking me why because we can show us the installation of the tool. Yeah, I will post a video on installation of the SQL developer Oracle 19C or 21 whatever the required which is stable. I will install that later. I will show you how to do installation very easy way and shortcut way also there. So before that, very easy way. Some PCs will be there to use this SQL developer and all that stuff. The PC should be having SSD, right? So I'll show you how to check your SSD or not. Control Shift Escape if you have pressed the task manager. Everybody knows it, right? So you have to come here. Okay, here disk will be there. Disk 0C. It is SSD, right? So SSD means you will get good performance. So then only you can able to use the Oracle in your PC very efficiently, or else your PC will be hanging. HDD should not be. Yes, solid state drives only you have to use better. But your HDD is there, you should be having minimum 16 GB RAM, 8 GB also will be hang up. So please be sure the CPU utilization also will go more if you are running because so many background processes automatically will be running in your Oracle, right? So to avoid that, I'm first of all I'm showing that easy way to use. So everybody you can able to use this in your mobile also. You can open web browser and web browser desktop side you can open or normally if it I think his interface will support for mobile device also. So can use that, right? Yes. Price based thing here, it's entirely free. Oracle level, it's entirely free. No need to pay any space, nothing else. So you can use air, night mode also. You can use so many features are there inbuilt. It is there. Yeah, that's a quick overview of Oracle Live SQL. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoy this video, you make sure like, share, and subscribe to Team Coding Plaza for more amazing tech tutorials. Leave your comments below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.